into the woods to meet the three destined wizards. A giant, black-winged, mysterious bird flew swiftly over my head. It followed the roaring, dark intercity bus that had just left our remote village and circled it like a spying drone. The red-eyed, dusky-feathered, daredevil eagle swept violently across the dried, barren paddy fields where innocent village farmers were working tirelessly under the burning sun. An old widowed woman, wearing a faded, oversized, dirty shirt, paused to drink water from her soot-covered kettle. She looked up in wonder as the unfamiliar bird cut across the sky. The so-called bird passed over the humble dwellings of the poor workers, flew above scattered roadside boutiques, and finally perched on the loaded sacks of rice, paddy, and corn heaped high on the dusty roof of the bus. I stopped my bicycle on the megalithic dam of the Great Lake and, for the last time, gazed at the long road stretching towards Colombo. The old bus was almost gone, shrinking into a tiny dot. I felt as though my heart was traveling inside that bus, leaving me alone in this jungle village of the dry zone. The lake looked gloomy. Black-beaked birds from some unknown world began to fight noisily. I watched the giant black-winged birds swallow shivering fish, and in doing so, I missed the final glimpse of the vanishing bus. When I looked again, the bus was no longer visible, only When my teacher said goodbye, he shook my hand for the last time. He placed something in my palm, closed my fingers around it, and asked me not to look at it until the bus disappeared.